mwirori wa Kameme TV o muthenya wa kana thini wa tafarira kana thini wa muci wa Kameme TV tafarira ni koragwo ya Ngundu na Uikaro thinacara na nuthu no tucemanagia nawe na ni Njuguna Wang'a ngikwira maundu maria ungibatara kumenya thini wa maundu megie migunda mawatho ona ningi Uikaro witu tondu ngwiraga mici nio gitara gitu na haha nduko twifatara gukorwo tukimigemia muthenya wa umuthi rugendo rwakwa ngirwanjia na njira njega muno ya kurora riboti ya mwanya riboti thaka ni Uikaro witu wa kiubereke turore nyumba ino tuone kuriri na makiria ihana atia. Ikereka ria mbere ria Ngundu na Uikaro ni rugendo rwa kumenya Uikaro wa kiumia umuthi tukianjia tafarira mwena wa Thogoto itura ria Gikuyu kaunti ya Kiambu na mwene agatunyita ogeni
tutagwo Mishovo kana Peter Mishovo akamunyu huko ni location huko ni Thogoto Kikuyu division county ya Kiambu county.
Tukirwo ri nyumba ni cigana na ni cia muthemba uriku guku nigetha ona tukimenye ni kuguku turahungura
mwaka uyu ri ndajirie kindu 3 or 4 years ago ngiajiriria foundation waka structure no yothe icoka kinya handu after roofing ri ngiremererwo ndugo ndaremererwo ri then I decided to look for a finance ya mundu gutethire nake okiandikirie mwaka uyu ategu didika ati ndenda mbeca igana na mweri kana mweri akaundu tukugithaniria nake tondu ndimurege na income ya rent income tondu for now kwina mathira muno ma mbeca. You cannot tell me that do hagiria mana mega matatu per month, which of course maybe nyumba tiji ritire na ndo si half see 70% occupation, see 30% occupation, do dikati. They would also kill through the radio Kameme. You were with Sampesa agency. I worked there at the office. Kananiriana sales ladies and sales men Makija. Makidaririo the Mekaga. Now what they need from me, give you the Kajiria process. Because they had to get out of joint venture. Because I've already started that area. Don't need to go and how hard to that emerald.
Na ciana kuo iri cia biacara haha tugakundio ati ino ni ya gukomborithio.
Nyumba ici ciakwa ciothe in total 20 units. The 12 is a 2-bedroom, 8 is a 1-bedroom. When calling an order to a short day. When the 12 is 2-bedroom, is again a 1-bedroom. And you base your quality, is your quality. This is the entire my retirement package already in the Megari. Kinene na kiega makiria ni ati ici ni cia maciaro ma ukuru-ini na ngakwira ati haha ni ho cama wa indo cia kuukagira. Kuriguo tukoria niki kia mwanya thini wa muci uyu. Okay, nyumba icio teciakite na finishing ya iguru muno tiles. Perimeter all the tiles stay in kitchen kama modern kitchen to make it between now and 15 years nyumba icio no ikorwo cina value kuna maka nyumba roguo batirarora today and tomorrow value after 10 to 15 years. So no drama ka between 15 years still nyumba cia kwa value cost you never na niguo rent igithia na mbere guthi na iguru ina drawers mai mekuo ni mai ni maingi torekete mai matangi ndi matangi matatu iguru matatu thi so na mai maita mere makanjo ma project so jona kwina thina wa mai for now todo matangi matandatu ri maneneri this no we mugini na wiki imwe at least na mai magiokaga at least on the after daily basis.
Na to nyumba ona itura rikaganwo kumana na wagiriru wario.
Okay, itura riri one security wise number one utirimikora my neighbors there West Point and the kobo no hidi na China we are neighboring those people na environment yao kundi perfect utiri ngaragu una miguda kwingombe kwidu gonogeta ukali get fresh milk fresh meat maundu mothe environment ina tikudu kuria tana iro biro kwa kwena andu aingi tuona imirari no conjection naki
thogora naguo ni wa bata na ukagayanio githemba giki
my take for now two bedrooms two bedroom ri I want 18,000 na one bedroom ri for now 13,000.
Farafara ni makinya manini tu na ona kia magegania ni ati ona reri guku ni ui wega icio ciume na ene.
Haha ri advantage ya nyumba icio na gitumi ndisi yake ri haha ni harako substation nyumba icio thako ari hari ni cia reri after Kikuyu mathondekete station hau then they are going to Mutoini no the next is here no kwena substation riu haha ri hekoro hena movement ko njega I know I'll get in and do the substation ya jego kore. Now they are working at Mutuini. So from there, they will go to do Uikaro na vokoto na environment mago. Even now, kamugithi ni karuga maga commuter train. Kakuagera do hako. Metagira ha karum. Ogo ni kuruga makaruga makakiruga makabata.
Mugithi wa gutiga tinie ugukorwo kiuga ndiakwirire. Kumania na Uikaro ucio ngiha niho ngwiraga ati ona rugendo runene ni rukona muthia waruo kana ni hakona handu tugaga ona thathi muhiu ni humuka kugenda tuhumuke o hanini tugicokereria tabarira ya Ngundu na ikorwo no irathie na mbere na mangi maingi megega.